Hi students, good morning to all of you and welcome in the online learning session of BSc Agriculture 3rd semester course Biochem 231. Students, in previous class we learned about the chemical behavior of water in association with pH and we calculated the H ion concentration or H ion activity by using logarithmic scale. So in association or in continuation with previous class, today we will start the actual pH scale. So regarding the pH scale, Kw, actually Kw we learned in previous class. So how this Kw appears, so that also we learned in previous class. So Kw is the basis for calculating or representing the pH or basis for pH scale. pH, or it means the concentration of H is equal to concentration of OH, that is the hydroxyl or hydroxide ion. So concentration of H or moles of H is equal to moles of the hydroxide or hydroxyl ion is the pH. So in case of the pH, the scientist Sorensen, Danish biochemist, first time used the logarithmic scale to calculate the hydrogen ion activity, hydrogen ion concentration. So here the calculation or part of calculation is already given or represented on blackboard. So pH scale, the logarithmic scale used by the scientist Sorensen for calculating the hydrogen ion activity. So here according to him, so pH is equal to log 1 divided by hydrogen ion or moles of hydrogen ion. So here it gives rise to negative logarithm of hydrogen ion. So here the pH is equal to log 1 divided by 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. So how this 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 appears here? So that we calculated in previous class, 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. So here the log 1 into 10 raised to log 1 divided by 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 gives rise to log 1 into 10 raised to 7. So log 1 plus log 10 raised to 7 is equal to 0 plus 7 gives rise to 7. Or in case of already we calculated the negative logarithm of hydrogen. So pH is equal to the negative logarithm of H, that is the log negative logarithm of 10 raised to minus 7. So here minus 7 is converted into 7. So here it gives rise the value 7. And 7 is considered as the neutral value or the normal value for the hydrogen and hydroxide ion or dissociation product of water into H plus and OH minus. Already we learned in previous class, water shows slight tendency for reversible dissociation, ionization into H plus and OH minus. So slight tendency means here actually the 1 mole in 5 crore 50 lakhs moles gives rise to H and OH. So out of this it represents the 1 gram of hydrogen in 1 crore liters of water. So here it is calculated 1 divided by 1 crore. So it gives rise to 10 raised to minus 7. So that is the, if we calculate it, so H into OH gives rise to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. So how this 10 raised to minus 14 appears? So that we calculated in previous class, 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. So log H plus log OH, that is the hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion, gives rise to log 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. So here minus log and log of hydrogen and hydroxide gives rise to 14. So here pH, that is the power of hydrogen and power of hydroxide. So H plus OH minus gives rise to 14. So this is the 14. So calculating or the describing pH scale. So this pH scale describes from 1 to 7. So 1 means extreme acid, whereas in case of 14 is the extreme base. So this is the scale of pH scale calculated from 1 to 14. Students, when the acid or base dissociated or dissolved into the water, thereafter the release or the donation of H is responsible for ionization of acid, whereas the consumption of H and get protonated by the base is indicating the base. When the acid is dissolved into the water, so water acid is not completely dissociated into water, and some acid molecules are remain present as an electrically charged particle into the water. So if you consider the weak acid like the carbonic acid, so in case of carbonic acid is not completely dissociated into the water and some electrically charged particle remains as such. Whereas in case of the strong acid like hydrochloric acid, so here the free H ion concentration or free H ion is more, and hence it is get dissociated in completely into the water, gives rise to H and Cl. So that is the strong acid get dissociated properly or completely into the water because of the H, more H ion, and in case of the weak acid it is not dissociated properly into the water. So in case of the base, in case of weak base, it gives rise to the hydroxide or hydroxyl ion OH minus as compared to H, and because of that the scale of pH increased from 7 to 14, and if the hydrogen ion activity is increased as compared to the OH, then it gives rise the acidity, whereas when the concentration of the hydroxyl ion increased as compared to H, then after the basicity is increased, and that actually is called as the pH scale. So regarding the pH scale, the range of pH is represented with the help of this image in front of you, and next one, the pH scale. So pH of the HCl is 1, strong acid, highly strong acid. Then in case of the Coca-Cola or particularly cola, then the pH scale is about the 3.3, and then after the in case of NaOH, so it gives a strong basicity about pH scale 12 to 14. So likewise the scale of pH is also represented with this particular image in front of you. This slide is showing the pH scale. Students, we already learned about the pH. So actually in case of biochemistry, we calculated how the range of pH comes out, how the hydrogen ion concentration or in broad way hydrogen ion activity affects the pH scale that we learned. Actually the concentration of hydrogen or calculation or the part of calculation we learned in case of biochemistry. In today's class also we calculated the pH scale. So this pH is one of the most important concept regarding not only biochemistry but also in day-to-day life. The pH is playing vital role. The most of the biochemical activities, physiological activities and metabolic activities carried out, pH is playing vital role. pH is one of the part where the availability of different elements is completely pH dependent. Even the catalytic activities, enzymic activities, these are also the pH dependent activity. Even the circulation of different hormones is also related with the pH activity. Our digestion of food is also one of the indirectly related activity of pH. So pH is playing vital role in different biochemical reactions. So we already learned about the pH. pH is nothing but the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion activity or concentration, and this pH scale was discovered by the scientist Soren Sorensen, Danish biochemist, in 1909. He discovered the pH, that is the negative logarithm. So actually pH is logarithmic value instead of arithmetic. So this is the information about pH and the effect of pH we already learned. In case of soil also, as the soil is one of the basic medium for the crop growth, basic medium for supply of nutrient, basic medium to supply the normal environment for the growth and development of the plant, to yield the yield potential of crop is also soil dependent, and activities carried out inside the soil are also pH dependent. So pH is playing vital role in our day-to-day life. So after the pH, next concept is the Bronsted-Lowry's concept of acid and base. So scientist Bronsted and Lowry developed the concept of acid and base in 1923. What actually the Bronsted-Lowry's acid means or Bronsted-Lowry's base means? So here, in case of acid or in case of base, so acid and base, Bronsted and Lowry says that the compound which donates the proton is called as acid, and in case of Bronsted-Lowry's base, so Bronsted-Lowry's base means the compound which accepts the proton is called as base. So when the compound or the particular chemical reagent containing the equal proportion of the compound which donates the proton and compound which accepts the proton, so when this reagent containing both the acid and base in equal concentration is called as conjugate. So Bronsted and Lowry actually represented this particular acid base with the help of the here reaction HAHB and the HB. So here the HAHB and HB minus. So in case of HA, so here the HA responsible for release of the H and A. So HA is the ion which donates the proton. In case of HB plus, so here the B is the neutral value, so it contains equal proportion. Then next one it is the conjugate, next one HB minus, so it releases, that is the strong acid which is strongly dissociated and responsible for the complete release of the proton. So here these are the reaction representing the Bronsted-Lowry's acid base concept. Students, after the concept of Bronsted and Lowry's acid and base, another scientist G.N. Lewis in same 1923 discovered the concept or given the concept of acid and base. According to the G.N. Lewis, the compound called as acid who actually accept the pair of electron, and it is called as the electrophile or electrophile which is electron loving, whereas the compound which donates the pair of electron to an acid is called as base, and it is called as the nucleophile or nucleus loving compound. So here the electrophile and nucleophile concept given by the scientist G.N. Lewis in 1923. This concept is also related to the acid and base, that is the compound which accepts the pair of electron from the base is called as the acid, and the compound which donates the pair of electron to the acid is called as the base. So here the electrophile and the nucleophile concept is given by the scientist G.N. Lewis. So in case of the acid is categorized into two types, that is the weak acid and strong acid. So in case of the strong acid which can dissociate into H and the other ion easily or freely, so that is called as the strong acid, whereas weak acid means the acid which is having affinity to their proton and not easily interested to release their proton, and hence these are not get completely dissociated into the water, and some electrically charged acid molecule remain present into the solution. So these are called as the weak acid. So acids are categorized into weak and strong. Weak acids are like the carbonic acid, acetic acid, whereas in case of the strong acid like the hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid, HCl and H2SO4. And the concept of strong acid and weak acid is given in front of you with the help of this slide. So this slide represent the list of strong acid and weak acid, and H donated or the particular H ion concentration regarding movement of H ion with the acid. Students, this video is available on YouTube and link is provided by the YouTube to you. And if you are really get benefited by this video, share this video to the student, those who are in the BSc Agriculture and studying in 3rd semester, and you can share this video to the other student, those who are preparing for the competitive examination related to the agriculture. Students, you can like this video on YouTube and subscribe my channel Atul Bhondwe on YouTube. You can follow me on the Facebook, you can follow me on Instagram, you can be in touch with me on WhatsApp, and you can subscribe my channel on YouTube Atul Bhondwe. Regarding the different biochemistry videos, you can log in on YouTube. Same video is available on your Google Classroom, 3rd semester Google Classroom page. At the same time, the link will be provided on WhatsApp to you on your WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching this video.